we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we just have something special we're going to open. This is from my friend and fellow YouTuber Devin K. Feel free to check out the Devin K channel. He has a variety of videos on milsurp, uniforms, helmets, educational knowledge, etc., etc. Again, Devin K. Let's go check out what he sent me. Let's get you out of the way. Thank you. I've already taken the mailing label off for OPSEC reasons, and we should be able to just open this from the top. Let's see, it took a lot of care in taping this shut and sent a nice sized box. Okay, how was the best way to do this? Let's do a starting cut right there. Just do pressure open right there. Let's start on this side, do a pressure cut right here. Okay, now we're going to do a separation cut like this. Let's just use scissors. Sometimes it's just safer to break out the skizzers. Alright, so well, at least we know we made it. Alright, here we go. He sent me something. Boots! Oh, very nice. So he had recommended these to me from his personal collection, I must say. These have Vibram soles, as you can tell. And I do believe these are Bates Tora Bora boots. So you can do your own research as to the history of the Bates Tora Bora boots. These are 11 regular. And you can see the construction of them is quite sturdy. They have very hard toe area, reinforced. He's already got them laced. We got suede tongue and upper area. We have a strong molded side, suede ankle and foot side area, very thick soles, and they look like they have the warm insulation material as well. And well, they do have insoles. So this was just going to be a quick unboxing video of something sent to me from Devin K's personal collection. Feel free to check out the Devin K YouTube channel. He was kind enough to send me these. And yeah, maybe you can work out a deal with him on other items he's willing to part with from his collection. Again, the Devin K YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the description as well. That way you don't have to leave YouTube. You can just shift over to his channel to check things out. So it's just been a quick unboxing video. We do have other unboxing videos on the channel. I'll plug the other stuff on here. We got show and tell videos on more specific milsurp vintage and tool type items. We also do a selection of book review, meter reviews, as well as curios for the curious, more artsy type objects. Feel free to like and subscribe. Feel free to check out Devin K's YouTube channel again. And thanks for watching. See you next time.